Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is making a horrible grinding noise, it's likely that the blades are worn out or damaged. This grinding sound can indicate that the blades are not rotating smoothly, which can lead to further issues if not addressed promptly. If left unchecked, this could ultimately affect the performance of your device and result in more costly repairs down the line. To carry out this repair, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a pair of pliers, a replacement blade assembly, and possibly a soft cloth to clean any debris. First, ensure that your Thermomix is unplugged to guarantee safety during the repair process. Begin by removing the mixing bowl from the base. Next, locate the screws at the base of the bowl. These usually require a star screwdriver. Carefully unscrew them and keep the screws in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base of the bowl to reveal the blade assembly. You may notice that the blades are indeed damaged. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To extract the blades, use your pliers to grip the central part of the blade assembly and turn it counterclockwise until it loosens. Once it is free, you can replace it with a new blade assembly by aligning it properly and turning it clockwise until it is securely in place. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the surrounding components. After the new blades are in, reattach the base by aligning it and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure everything is tight but do not over-tighten, as this might strip the screws. Finally, plug your Thermomix back in and test it to ensure the blades are functioning smoothly without any grinding noise. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to clean the blades regularly and avoid overloading the machine, as this can cause strain on the blades. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.